Jai Sri Ram. Dear friend, this is nectar for each individual of this earth. It's Tuesday today, June 10th, 2025. Friend, with kind compassion of Supreme Lord, that is your own soul, I, Dr. Ravi Shankar Pandey, have devoted each breath of my life to the lotus feet of Sri Shivji. It's for 10 years. This is for spiritual endeavor of self as well as all. Friend, in reality, the unceasing devotion, that is the feeling of loyal servantship of Shivji, is nectar. In very brief, Jiva is a part of divinity, hence immortal, blissful by nature, and conscious, which can be maximally comprehended by mind but indescribable by the speech. Friend, your real form is your soul. When the realization sheds light, then error of duality will be dispelled. This is self-realization of your own friend, Dr. Ravi Shankar Pandey. Friend, the whole universe is meritorious form of Lord Sri Shivji. It means you are Sri Shivji. Please consider me out of 4 stages of life, like brahmachar, student life, second grihast or married life, vanprasth, that is asceticism, and sannyas, that is renunciation. As I have acquired devotion to the lotus feet of Sri Ramji, that is your own soul, I did not find any difference between your soul and Sri Ramji. Friend, I will be alive on this earth in transcendental state of mind, beyond the knot of deluding potency, that is Maya. Please imprint in your mind that in these 4 stages of consciousness, a thorough research were carried out on Sri Ramcharitmanasa, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and deluding potency. In conclusion, numerous wild waves like ego, lust, anger, greed, pride, jealous, infatuation, duplicity, perversity, hypocrisy, malice, heresy, concupiscence, and arrogance, along with a lot of wild waves. This is innumerable. All are the progeny of ignorance. That is the science. This is wild and terrible in nature that cause the jiva in to the destiny of worldly existence. So, that has made a puppet of whole universe, and its character were unknown, but now it's known. It's known to me and narrated few of its progeny. So this conscience doesn't have any concern with all those, as spoken few of the progeny. So I was able to understand all this after ultimate faith in Sri Shivji, who is the only ruler of this universe. So Sri Shivji is embodiment of faith and only ruler of this universe. This is my introspective vision. Whatever sects and constitutions are available on this earth, they are none of my business. So my mind is completely neutral with all the constitutions and sects. This is just a straightforward task. In my vision, Sri Shivji, that is the embodiment of truth and faith, is only ruler of this universe. Friend, you are kindly requested to imprint in your mind that the embodiment of reverence, Umaji, and of faith, Sri Shivji, are enshrined in heart of each woman and man of this earth. Bhavani Sankarau Bande Shraddha Vishwas Rupino Ayabhyam Vinana Pashyanti Siddha Swanta Isthamishwaram. Dear friend, this is the divine conclusion, and it's already proven. It requires hardly 1 hour, which will be more than sufficient to get realization of this divine conclusion to each individual of this earth. This feeling is opted permanently in the conscience of your friend. With the help of this, your friend has crossed the ocean of mutation, and only devotion is left in the conscience of your friend, Dr. Ravi Shankar Pandey. So, this divine feeling can be destroyed in any era of time. Friend, the limit of selfishness have been finished. This state is beyond the reach of even noble laureate and indescribable for me. Recently, my beloved friend Dr. Rajnish Mahadev Tripathi ji visited this place along with his family. So, in scientific area, I consider he is the right person to share his own perception to this world, because this is unimaginable state. So, your friend renounce all the activities which yield good and evil results, and get refuge in the heart of Sri Shivji. So, who is the honored by all the gods, seer and sages? Devadhidev Mahadev. Sur Nar Muni sab नावई शीशा, So, now your friend of this doesn't require any recognition from anybody on this earth, even from Brahmaji, who is the creator of this universe, as this divine realization is for every human being. So, please share it among all. So, those who adore such a omnipotent Lord, Sri Shivji, he will secure real victory, which is Birati charmayasi jnana mad moha lobha ripumari अजय पाइए सो हरि भगति देखु खगेश बिचारी. This is the voice of Lord Shiva. So, the real victory is to protect one loyal servantship of Sri Shivji with the shield of dispassion and slaying the enemies like ego, attachment, and all the progeny of nescience. To have a feeling of completely surrender in the lotus feet of Sri Ramji. Friend, researching on molecular biology of aging to enhance the human life span, all are ignorance. Please imprint in your mind that you can attain real happiness only through self-realization. That is, your real form is your soul. That is Sita Ramji, and not this materialistic mortal body. This is well established human doctrine for crossing the ocean of mutation. So, a detailed diagram will be attached with this voice and video that will constitute the path of liberation and Paramanandam. Friend, every human being on this earth must contemplate this divine conclusion as soon as possible, because the condition of this nature is very horrible. None of the conscience is free from treachery. You can secure the real fruit of human birth and life, that is the unceasing devotion to the lotus feet of Sri Ramji. Friend, by kind compassion of Sri Shivji, I was able to cross the ocean of mutation and realize my previous birth. The death anniversary of my previous birth was 8th of June 1972, and the name of my previous life was Basant Lal Pandey, and this birth is last one. Now, the mind is completely free from the cycle of birth and death and time cycle, that is round of creation. I don't require to get birth anymore. So, intensifying your mind in the lotus feet of Sri Ramji, that is unattached and independent state. That will be the complete fruit of human birth and life. And this is for each individual. Friend, my mind is beyond the universe. I have make a diagram of universe also that will be attached with this video. So please share this thought among all of your friends and religious preceptor so that everyone should achieve the real goal of human birth and life. Friend, all the creature that is, originated from a single, very unique Lord whose nature is unattached and independent. The Lord doesn't require the womb of any natural lady. As my mind is in the lotus feet of Sri Ramji, so I also doesn't require any womb of lady. Even I am not authorized to see the face of an woman. For this form, even I am not authorized to see the face of a lady as well as gold. So, because a sin can cover the mind, this is very comprehensive, friend. So, how this happened? I have simply spoken the brief biography of mine. Now, selfishness, ego, attachment, they don't have any place in my conscience. So, you have to find out a way. I have already having it, the way, that is the Karma Yoga. So, in very brief, whatever service have been performed by this body, all were dedicated to the lotus feet of Vishnu Bhagwan, who is sustainer of this universe. That is the reason I realize the respect of Lord Sri Shivaji and Vishnu Bhagwan. And so now I doesn't require to be honored by any human being or to having any respect from any human being. Even I don't require any recognition in this universe, because the element of Lord is not a part of this five bhutas like earth, water, fire, air and ether. This is independent and omnipotent everywhere. That is the right time when you bring this principle in your life. Be a loyal servant of Sri Shivji. Sri Shivji is enshrined in the heart of every individual. And I can prove it if you require. No opposing party should be needed in providing the inspiration of Sri Shivji. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram. Har Har Mahadev.